The BEAST team, which stands for the Bellflower Enforcement and Safety Team, is comprised of one public safety officer assigned to the team. It has two maintenance workers from our Public Works Department and two SAO deputies from our SAO team. The goals of the BEAST team is to ensure our homeless individuals in town are being connected with resources, and while also ensuring that the laws of the state of California and the city are enforced when out in the field. The BEAST team's strategy is going to be to outreach services to the homeless and connect them with resource providers such as PATH, LASA, and Kingdom Causes. During community outreach patrols, the team will connect those who are willing to accept services to outreach providers who best meet their needs. Outreach providers will also ride along with the BEAST team during targeted enforcement efforts to provide directed level assistance to community members experiencing homelessness.
It makes me feel like we've accomplished something, trying to go out there and help the community. The city has worked extensively to combat homelessness in the community for many years. In 2020, Bellflower established the New Hope Temporary Shelter, which is a 50-person facility designed to transition individuals from living on the streets to helping them with permanent housing. The BEAST team will focus its attention on proactive patrols and inspections of encampment areas. The key here is to be proactive in connecting with those individuals that are seeking help. The BEAST team will connect with individuals with housing, substance abuse, and mental health resources provided by our regional partners at PATH, LASA, and Kingdom Causes. Addressing homelessness involves getting those seeking assistance into service programs. Enforcement of unlawful camping or drug usage will not solve the problem overall. Working with outreach providers allows for a full circle of services that are offered. Those who refuse services will be subject to enforcement. Before leaving any location, the BEAST team will conduct a cleanup, removing any property and/or trash which is not removed by its occupants. My thought process is just to make contact, get to know them, and let them know that I'm here to try to offer services instead of just them thinking that we're just shooing them away or making them go somewhere else. The goal is just to help them have somewhere to connect to and see where those programs lead them to. The fulfilling part of it would be to actually see somebody going from being in a situation where they're living in the street to somewhere knowing that because of my encouragement or because of my work that I'm doing with the BEAST team, that they were able to get on their feet and change their lives.